I've always wanted a daily carry knife, so I decided to buy one from TacKnives.com. No, it's not an advertisement, but it's just a pretty cool OTF knife that hasn't failed me in a month. It's about $52 that I paid for after a discount I used. And yeah, it's been pretty dope for the past 2 months. I personally think it looks better without the retention clip, so I took it off. It's about 7 inches in total length and 3 inches in blade length. Overall, I think it's a pretty decent carry knife, so let's see how long it lasts.